Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious recipe. From the Konkani cuisine, we'll be seeing how to prepare dudhiya fodi. This amazing recipe can also be called as pumpkin fritters. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 1 medium sized pumpkin piece, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This you can adjust according to your preference. Half teaspoon of asafoetida powder, salt as per taste, 3 tablespoons of fine rava or semolina, 2 tablespoons of rice powder, and finally oil enough for tawa frying. Firstly, to begin with, de-seed the pumpkin and further chop this into lengthwise medium-sized pieces. Chop the outer skin as well and further repeat the process until you get 5 to 6 medium-sized pieces. Next, take a mixing bowl and into that add salt, asafoetida powder and dried red chili powder and mix all the dry ingredients well. Once the dry ingredients are mixed well, into this add 2 teaspoons of water and mix this into a fine paste. Now coat the pumpkin pieces thoroughly on all the sides and allow this to marinate for another half an hour. After half an hour, we can see that the pumpkin pieces are nicely marinated and it is also started to give out the water. You can set this aside and next take another mixing bowl and into that add 3 tablespoons of fine rava or semolina and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Mix the dry ingredients well and set this aside. Next, take the pumpkin pieces and coat this thoroughly with the dry ingredient on all the sides. Repeat the process for the rest of the pumpkin pieces as well, and once done, take a tawa and add oil enough for tawa frying and spread this with the help of a silicone brush. Tawa fry the pumpkin pieces in low to medium flame until one side of it turns nice and crisp. Brush this with a little bit more of coconut oil and flip this over and cook the other side as well. Cover this and cook for 4 to 5 minutes in low to medium flame so that the inside of the fritters are also nicely cooked. Keep repeating the process until both the sides turn nice and crisp. Make sure to tawa fry in low to medium flame throughout and not to repeat this process in high flame, as your fritters can get burnt easily on the outside and also the insides will stay uncooked. Now our delicious dudhiya fodi is nice and ready. This can be had as a dry side dish along with rice. This is usually loved by kids. It can also be given as an evening snack to them. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.